In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam password. Keeping your Steam account secure is essential, and changing your password is a quick way to protect your games and personal info. Before we start, make sure you can log into the Steam client and that you have access to the email linked to your account or the Steam mobile app for verification. Open the Steam client and sign in. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings on Windows, or Preferences if you're on a Mac. In the Settings window, head to the Security tab. This is where you manage your account's safety features. Click Change Password to begin. You may be asked to enter your current password. Go ahead and type it in. Next, Steam will confirm it's really you by sending a verification code. You can choose to receive a code at your associated email or approve the request through the Steam mobile app. If you pick email, watch for a 5-digit code. It often arrives within a minute, but if you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. If you select the mobile app approval, follow the prompt on your device to confirm. Once you have the 5-digit code, return to Steam and enter it exactly as shown. After verification, you'll be prompted to create your new password and then confirm it by typing it a second time. For a strong, secure password, use at least 8 characters and mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for something unique that you don't use anywhere else. A short phrase combined with numbers and symbols is both memorable and strong. Avoid obvious choices like pet names, birthdays, or simple sequences. If you use a password manager, now is a great time to generate and save a robust password so you don't forget it later. When both fields match and meet the requirements, confirm the change. Steam will process your update and let you know when it's successful. In some cases, you may be signed out on other devices, which is normal. Just sign back in with your new password the next time you open Steam elsewhere. That's it. Thanks for watching.